What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, Painted Imagination. In this video, we will be doing a makeup illusion. I follow this amazing makeup artist. Her name is Mimi Chow, and I always admired her work and always wanted to try it. So now is the time, and I hope you enjoy it. So stay tuned for this series of makeup illusions. I'll be posting twice a week, every week, and I'm excited to try them out. Hopefully they come out great, and I hope you enjoy it or maybe learn something as well. So let's get to it. Enjoy! Hey guys, so I started off with my Mehron Cream Blend makeup in the color Ivory Bisque, and I just made a circle around my eyes and nose, and then I took my BH Cosmetics foundation, and placed that on the face around the circle, and I just blended it in together. Okay, now I'm taking my Wolf Black water-based face paint, and I'm following the image that I have here and trying to make lines and make it look as if it's twisted and the eyes are going underneath the center part. So we're going to fill in the lines going across, and then we're going to black out the eyes. And I made sure to have some Q-tips handy just so I could fix any mistakes. I'm starting to fill in the lines here so I can make sure I know which lines are supposed to be black and which are not, so I don't get confused. Make sure you look at the image face forward, or to the side where you want the image to look like the lines are all even and straight, not as if they're going over a nose, which is a curved surface. So you want to look at it at all angles so that you can create this look that your nose is not even there. this point, I'm starting to create the illusion with the curved lines. So we're going to make the lines go in an opposite direction, coming up the side of the face, so that it looks like it's going curving into each other. Okay, now I'm taking my black powder from Elisa Griffith's palette, and I'm going to start shading outwards from that center point where we made the curve. That's where we're going to start our shading. We're going to make it really dark in the center and gradually come out to the edges. Okay, now I'm taking that Ivory Bisque from the Mehron's palette, and I'm just going into the center of the lines to brighten them up a bit. I then made sure to set everything with a translucent setting powder, and that was it. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. It was pretty difficult to try and get the lines right, and I hope I did the shading good enough so you can see the illusion, and I hope you enjoyed it. So this is the second makeup in my Makeup Illusions series, so stay tuned. I have a lot more for you in this series, and I'm super excited to try them all out. So subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thank you. Bye.